Hello subscribers, this is your Johnny again. Today we are located in PANKRÁC tram stop over the metro station PANKRÁC by the shopping center and Prague skyscrapers, so-called Prague Manhattan. Now a huge construction site because here is a transfer from line C of the metro to future line D. So a lot of tunnels around, and I'm gonna show you how the newly renovated metro station PANKRÁC looks like, and future transfer station from red line C to blue line D. As you can see, it's very frequented, and look how clean it is. I'm really happy. The layout is same, escalators to the surface and solid staircase down the station. Okay, so here's the future corridor from line D to line C. As you can see, on the end is just a door. The arrows and the design of the boards and writing is by the new Prague rules. Here it waits for new shops. Here is the entrance to the station. And on the end you can see the entrance to the shopping center. Looks good. I think that job was done very well. It's more spacious. It's not that dark as it used to be. There is the entrance to the shopping mall, and here is the entrance to the station. It's just short escalator. Everything is light, everything is very lit, everything is clean, and no matter the station is reopened, I suppose more than 1 month after the renovation, it's still very clean. I can't see any graffiti, I can't see any tags. Plan of steps to help people choose which direction to go. Okay, let's turn around. The last thing I want to show you is look at the design. It's everything in a glass, and you can see the wheels rotating, the handles. Now metro arrived and a lot of guys jumped in. That's all from me. Thank you for joining.